Hi, it's Darnell with Wave Oven Recipes. Today I'm going to cook up some hard-boiled eggs in the Emeril Lagasse pressure air fryer Duet. So we're going to see how it does cooking up some hard-boiled eggs right now. Alright, so I've got my Emeril pressure air fryer here and I'm using 6 large eggs. You can use as many eggs as you want. It's the exact same cooking time, the exact same settings. I'm just using 6 eggs here, but you know, use as many as you want. I've got the wire rack down here. So just going to put my 6 eggs on the wire rack, and it doesn't matter, you know, if you pile your eggs up on one another or however you want to do. So my last egg here, got all 6 of my eggs in there. So now I'm going to get my cup of water. I got 1 cup of water here, and just pour that down in the bottom there. I'm going to close up. Now things are closed and sealed. Alright, now to get this cook started, I hit pressure, and there's already a preset for eggs, so I'm just going to turn till I get to eggs, basically. And now that I'm on eggs, I press in, and basically defaults to medium 4 minutes. I want to just turn this knob to long 6 minutes so that it basically hard boils these eggs. And now I'm just going to press that knob in to start to cook, and I'll bring you back when this cook is done. Cook is done. We do a quick release. I'm going to hit the cancel button. You should hit the cancel button actually first and then do your release, but either way, we're done. So once this is done with its release of pressure, I'll just get the lid off. Alright, the pressure is released. I'm going to open up. And so, looks like we got some done eggs in there. Looks like one of them even got a little overdone. But remember to hit the cancel button to shut it down before you release your pressure like I did. But either way, you get it done. This one got a little overdone. And this one here, he's looking good. And that one's looking good. So it looks like about, you know, maybe 5 out of 6 survived with no issues at all. And the one that got a little overdone just basically popped out the shell a little bit. That's no big deal. So there we go. We got 6 hard-boiled eggs. Now, you know, if you have like some ice and, you know, water, you can put them in an ice bath after you pull them out. That might help you peel them a little easier. Just going to let these cool down a bit, and then I'll go ahead and get the peeling, and then we'll get the plate and the taste testing. Alright, so give them a little time to cool. I'm going to take one of my eggs here. I'll just go ahead and get the shell off of this one. The shell's coming off pretty easy. Turns out I didn't need a ice bath after all. Just give them a little time to cool, and look at the shell. Comes right off, nice and easy. So, with that, we'll just get the camera moved around and do a taste test. Alright, so let's taste test this hard-boiled egg. What can I say? It's perfect. Takes all the guesswork out because they have a menu option that you can easily select. So it's a total winner. So this recipe is so easy, there's no need even posting it, but you can find other recipes and heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. I'm also on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. And you can always come to this YouTube channel directly by going to waveovenrecipes.com. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.